Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to log out from your Gmail account on your computer or laptop. So first open up a browser on your laptop and then head over to the Gmail button right here. You can open Gmail by clicking on this button, or you can open a new tab and search Gmail and click on the first link. And as you can see, you can open Gmail either way. So after opening Gmail, click on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and as you can see, there is an option sign out. Click on this option and then click on leave. So there you go. You have been signed out of your Gmail account. So if you want to sign back in, you have to click on sign in again. Click on next. It will ask you for your password, and if you put your password and click on next, you will be signed right back in. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.